right here at the exterior of the house. Here's the street. Let's go check her out. Front door. Here's the living room. Thermostat right here. There's a closet. See some damage here. Moving to the kitchen. You see some built-ins right here. Kitchen. Some peeling paint right here. Some more little cracks. My video cut off, ran out of space, so I had to check out the bathroom. Water is off. I did a little guy back here, probably could use some silicone. Plumbing. Alright, here's bedroom one. Closet. It's like a tack shop was done right there. So storage, cubby space down here under the steps. Alright. Check out the basement. Windows cracked right here. Got peeling paint here. You got plumbing here, so you gotta watch your head coming down. Peeling there, plumbing. Look like maybe some waterproofing has been done before. See, they got this barrier, they got these metal beams just to stop the foundation from bowing. And you got a sump pump over there, so looks like some foundation work has been done. $2017, I think. More plumbing there. Here's your furnace. Electrical there, sump pump, some more electrical here, water line, gas, hookups for the washer dryer. Okay, you see those there's separation there. Check out second floor. See some separation there. Two rooms. Next room. little plate there. Second room up here. The towel is a bit damaged. See some damage here. And then it's kind of like unscrewed up there. Closet. All right, so this will conclude walkthrough.